By now, most of you have received your most recent BC assessment. Is this useful? How are the figures determined? Do they simply take an average of recent sales right before the July 1st cutoff? I can go on about this, and surely there are more questions about the methodology and the validity behind how the valuation is conducted. While this valuation provided by BC Assessment has always been questioned and will continue to raise eyebrows for years to come for both buyers and sellers, you must remember one key thing. They are historical valuations at a point in time. Yes, that's right, a point in time, and they do not reflect current market pricing and conditions. Current market pricing, or mark-to-market valuation, a term used by the finance folks, often reflect what's really happening in our local real estate market. Similar to the stock markets, the market speaks, and buyers and sellers are willing to exchange something of value for a given price. This also means that a seller who wants $2 million for their home and a buyer who only wants to pay $1.8 million will not result in a deal getting done. This coming year, it'll be very interesting for BC homeowners and investors. So what do I exactly mean by the market speaking to you? As an example, if we use stratified properties, better known as condos or apartments, market pricing is based on a number of different factors. One huge driver is the dollar per square foot. Other factors which are very personal in nature could be the direction of the unit, views, size of the balcony, additional parking stalls, storage lockers, etc. I can go on. Specifically with this product type, market pricing is much easier to obtain and digest. Valuations can also be better estimated based on recent sales activity in a given building and a given area. The market speaking to us today, and if you're in the market to either buy or sell, I'm more than happy to sit down with you to discuss both pricing and an optimal strategy that meets your family needs. Remember, everyone's situation is unique, just like a unicorn, and requires a different strategy. I'm here to help you win. Thank you.